In this module, we will take a closer look at the Workbench main menu and learn how to navigate through the application. The mobile Workbench home screen consists of a menu for all the main functions, including the queue, testboard, port query, messages, costs, safety tracking, timesheet, profile, help, information about the system, and allows you to log out. When you mouse over or select an item on the menu, it will highlight in blue. Note that your screen may be missing the testboard or port query options if you have not been provided these permissions by your administrator. This table displays various examples of the buttons used to navigate through Mobile Workbench. The labeled white buttons with the forward arrow will open up the corresponding page or execute an action. For example, the buttons that appear on the main menu. The circular gray arrow buttons, such as the ones on the Messages page, will expand or collapse the area below them. Clicking or tapping the button when it points downward will collapse the area, and will expand it when the arrow points to the right. The labeled black buttons that sometimes appear at the top of the screen will direct you to the corresponding pages. For instance, the back button will return you to the previous page, or the Workbench button will direct you to the main menu. The rectangular white buttons will execute an action such as save or test. And finally, a link will appear underlined in blue font. These usually display in the body of a section in reference to another page. Navigation may differ depending on the type of device you are using. Some devices may use a mouse or trackball with the keyboard, while others use touchscreen. Some devices even provide the convenience of both features, although Workbench has been designed to make navigation simple regardless of the device you are using. If you are an inexperienced smartphone user, you may use some of the tips provided here on smartphone navigation. Please preview the next video clip to see a demo.